Everybody, everybody put your hands if you could see this in the air. So, what are we going to do about today? We're going to do some funny voices. So, let's get started with it. I just did one, so let's get to our second one. So, yeah. Do you know what my mama did to my dad? She kicked him in the penis. So, do you know our second one we're going to do? Third one we're going to do? No. Hey, just make up a voice. Oh, hell no. Is that all the ones you can think of? I can think of more now. So make up some more. I can't do it. I can't do any. That's just gay. These people those people, yeah, they want to see you make funny voices. Fuck off. Fuck off. Oh, starting fam. No, I'm sorry fam. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm from the valleys. I'm sorry. I don't want to mess with you. No, don't start now. Good. I will battle you any day. No, you wouldn't. No. Whee! Look who it is. It's a drug dealer of the day. I'm on cocaine. What you think you're looking at, motherfucker? Please comment, rate, subscribe. Peace out.